Now that your Dr. Energy Saver project has been scheduled, I'd like to show you what you can expect on installation day. The first thing you will see is our skilled installers in our Dr. Energy Saver truck show up to your home. We'll need the driveway cleared so that our installers can have a clear path to back in so that they can easily move any hoses to and from the truck as well as to the dumpster. Inside the truck they will have both a vacuum and a blower which will be used in your home for removal and re-insulation. We will also need a clear path to your attic access so that our installers can get to it without any issue. Any pictures and valuables should be moved out of the way if possible. We do our very best to work around everything inside your home, but if there are things that can be moved, it makes everything much easier and safer for the crew if it's done before we arrive. But don't worry, if you're not able to move them yourself, our guys would be more than happy to do so before they start. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you soon.